Hello students, today we are going to do gradation of fine aggregate, and for that the apparatus required are a sieve shaker, sieves of different sizes arranged from bottom to top as 75 micron, 150 micron, 300 micron, 600 micron, 1.18 mm, 2.36 mm, 4.75 mm and finally 10 mm. And at the bottom we have kept a pan, and at the top we have given a lid. With that we need a weighing balance, a brush, a tray, and material required is sand. A pan was kept on the weighing balance and it was set to 0. Using a hand scoop, some sand was poured on the pan and it was weighed. About 1 kg of sand was taken. By opening the lid, sand already weighed was poured on the top sieve. Then the sieves are fitted under the sieve shaker. And it was tightened with the help of screws. Sieving was done for 15 minutes by rotating the handle. After 15 minutes, the sieve arrangement was taken out from the sieve shaker. Then sand retained on each sieve was weighed on the weighing balance. The portion retained on 4.75 mm sieve was weighed to be 27 gram. Then the same on 2.36 mm sieve was weighed to be 33 gram. Similarly, the weight retained on 1.18 mm sieve was found to be 79 gram. On 600 micron it was 72 gram. On 300 micron it was 347 gram. On 150 micron it was 364 gram. And on pan it was 78 gram. From that we are going to calculate percentage mass retained, and the formula is mass of sand retained divided by total mass taken, which is 1000 gram, into 100. And the values we have got has been retained here. Then the next column is cumulative mass retained in percentage. That means in 10 mm mass retained or cumulative mass retained was 0. In 4.75 mm it was 2.7%. In 2.36 it will be 2.7 plus 3.3, which is 6%. In 1.18 mm it will be 6 plus 7.9 mm, which is 13.9%. So likewise the cumulative mass retained in percentage are recorded in this column. These are retaining values. So if we will subtract these values from 100, then we will get percentage passing, cumulative percentage passing. If total amount of soil retained on 10 mm sieve is 0, that means 100% soil has been passed this size of sieve. So cumulative percent passing is 100% in 10 mm sieve. In 4.75 mm sieve, if total amount of soil retained is 2.7% then percentage passing is 100 minus 2.7 and it is 97.3%. Then in 2.36 mm total amount of soil, that means the soil which is retained on 4.75 mm is also retained on 2.36 mm size sieve. So if total cumulative percentage retaining is 6% in 2.36 mm sieve, then cumulative percent passing is 100 minus 6, which is 94. Then in 1.18 mm sieve, cumulative percent retained is 13.9% and passing is 100 minus 13.9, which is 86.1. So likewise, cumulative percentage passing are calculated from cumulative mass retained. So from this table, the percentage passing values are taken and compared with another table which has been specified by Indian Standard Code to find in which grading zone this soil sample belongs to. So this is the table where for zone 4 the range of cumulative percent passing has been given for each size of sieve, and our test results belongs to this category because the results come under these ranges. First is 100%. The second value we have got for 4.75 mm sieve belongs to 95 to 100% range. The same for 2.36 mm sieve belongs to 95 to 100% range, and likewise after comparing with this table we have come to the conclusion that the sand we have taken for the test belongs to grading zone 4.